Brazen daytime shooting at Chicago police station. It's gonna be a quick one, bro. This is only 2 minutes.
A black SUV comes to a stop in the middle of the street. What happened next would be a brazen daytime shooting directly across from where police officers were stationed. Multiple 911 callers
Not at the station or just stationed?
reported the shooting.
There's a shooting at Monticello and the 606 at Bloomingdale.
There was just a black SUV that just fired a couple of shots out of their car.
It looks like there's a guy down.
On the morning
I
of
didn't see anything.
November 1st, a group of police officers were meeting with community leaders at a police substation near Monticello Avenue. At the same time, a man sat in his parked car waiting to pick up a family member. Minutes later, a black SUV drove down the avenue, then stopped in the street next to the parked car. Suddenly, 3 armed suspects exited the SUV and opened the victim's car door.
Was like carjacking gone wrong or something? Or
One
Target.
suspect walked back to the SUV and checked the surrounding area, possibly unaware a group of officers were in a building directly across the street.
dude, across the street? How did you not notice?
A suspect forcibly removed the driver from the vehicle and began rummaging through the victim's pockets. Officers in the police substation across the street heard an individual yelling for help outside. When officers responded to the commotion, they observed the 3 subjects engaged in the robbery.
Bro, it's like an old man. That's so sad. And it's just a random person. Like, you're just like holding them up for no reason because y'all are losers. Outside of a police station, apparently, or a building with police in it. I feel like the title's misleading.
The victim fell to the ground as the suspects ran back to the SUV. One of the suspects fired a weapon in the direction of the officers, who then returned fire, shattering the passenger side window.
Ooh, I saw that. He almost got him. Did he go?
As the SUV sped away, another shot was fired in the direction of the officers, who dove for cover. After the incident, the police officers went to check on the victim, who incredibly avoided being shot and was uninjured.
Good job, bro. Just good job, bro. You got out of that.
Thankfully, no one was injured in the shootout. As of the time of publication, the suspects in the incident are still outstanding.
And nobody got him. Nobody. Really? Y'all were that close? I mean, that's just embarrassing, bro.
If anyone has information related to this incident, which occurred near 1800 North Monticello Avenue, please contact the Chicago Civilian.
I wasn't there, bro. And I don't know. That's great. How did they not find him, man? You have video. I mean, did we not see the plate at all? You saw him pull up and everything. Yeah, it's pretty bad. You're not going to see. And you couldn't make nothing out on any of them, so. That's so sad, dude. Dude just got totally robbed. Y'all were right there. He's yelling for help and nothing. Poor guy, man. What a terrible. How sad. Told y'all that would be a super quick one. Not a problem at all, though. All right, guys, super short one here. We got toughest cop on the planet.
Get back! I'll get you pointed to the physical.
Bro.
Get down! Stop it! Get away! Go! No!
Ooh, get his ass, bro.
Stay there! Hey! He's got a knife! He's got a knife!
You're gonna
Bro, he got stabbed like 10 times, bro. Whoa.
Do you hear me? You will get
Get away!
You will get shot.
Okay.
Put it down. Put it down. You understand me?
I didn't want to do that.
Okay. Did you let it go? You have. Look at me. You have
Wow, bro. Screw that guy. I hope that guy goes for life, bro. That's terrible.
I'm ready to just go there.
Okay. Listen to what he's telling you. He's
Does the vest help at all with that? Oh my gosh, bro. Honestly, the pinning him to the wall thing was not the move here, right? I mean, what? I don't know what the move was. I'm not like that, bro. Because he's got it up, right? And you're getting like underneath it, which is no, dude. But what do you do though? Because it looked like he was trying to pull the legs to get him to flat down, but he's backing up to the wall here. Yeah, it like turned.
No, get back.
I don't think it's actually doing anything though. I think his armor's helping, no?
Get down. Stop it. Get away. Go.
Bro, imagine being in front of your mom in this situation and you're just like, I'm doing it.
Get down.
You must give no fuck, dude.
Get down.
Bro, and that's like armpit stab right there. That would have been artery, bro. That would have been bad.
Stop it. Get away. Go.
I'm ready to support you.
Okay. Listen to what he's telling you.
Wow, that went from 0 to attempted murder in 0.5. That's what I'm saying, bro. I saw him back up one step. I was like, no, we gotta turn it on. Wow. I didn't want to do that. Weird, because I've never wanted to do that, and also I've never done that. It's a pretty easy thing to not actually do. Not to do, actually. I didn't want to do that. I don't know, Chief. It looks like you... Lucky to be alive. Mom should be grateful for the cop's reaction. Yeah, the vest saved him. Okay. So I guess it does kind of help a little bit, right? Psycho mom, his ineptitude. Cop's quick reflex in the vest saved him. Mom provided a much needed distraction for the officer. Yeah, she actually did help out. Absolute unit of an officer, mad respect. I didn't want to do that, brother. Hello. All right, that was a fast one, but that was pretty good. The next one's gonna be kind of quick too. Caught on camera, semi merges from dead stop.